Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our friendly English channel. I am David.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jessica. We are very happy you are here today. Really happy.
Yes, very happy. I want to say something first. Please relax.
Yes, take a deep breath. You do not need to hurry.
This podcast is a slow place,
A calm place.
a friendly place.
You are not in a test.
No exams here,
No pressure.
only learning together.
And enjoying English together.
If this is your first time here, welcome.
We are very glad you found us. It's nice to see you again.
If you're coming back again, welcome back. You are safe here.
You are relaxed here.
You are learning English with friends.
Yes, friends, not teachers with serious faces.
Yes, we smile a lot here.
We speak slowly.
We speak clearly
And we repeat important things.
because repetition helps learning.
And it helps confidence.
You do not need to be perfect.
Perfect English is not the goal.
Before we start today's topic, we have a small favor.
Yes, a very soft favor.
If you like this podcast,
If it helps you feel calm,
if it helps you feel confident,
please subscribe and share it with a friend
maybe a friend who is shy with English.
or a friend who feels nervous.
Learning together is easier.
Thank you so much.
Now let's begin.
Today's topic is very fun.
Yes, very fun and very useful.
It is something we talk about in real life. Today we talk about hobbies.
How to talk about hobbies in English.
This topic is important because people often ask this question.
Yes, what do you like to do?
Or, what is your hobby?
And sometimes people feel nervous.
They think, oh no, what do I say?
But don't worry,
We will help you.
we will keep it simple.
Hobbies are things you like to do.
Things you enjoy in your free time
Free time means when you are not working,
or not studying,
maybe in the evening.
maybe on the weekend.
Yes, free time is happy time.
Yes, I love free time.
David, let me ask you a question.
Okay, Jessica, I'm ready.
What is a hobby?
A hobby is something you like to do.
Something you enjoy.
You do it for fun,
Not because someone tells you to.
not for money.
Very good, simple and clear.
Thank you.
Now let me ask you something more.
Okay,
Why are hobbies important?
good question. Hobbies make us happy. They help us relax. They help us forget stress. So, Jessica, what is your hobby?
Oh, I have many hobbies.
Wow, many hobbies. That sounds busy.
A little busy, but in a good way.
So tell us your favorite one.
My favorite hobby is reading.
Reading books?
Yes, I like reading books at home because it makes me calm and I can learn new things.
That's a great hobby.
Thank you. What about you, David?
My hobby is cooking.
Cooking? That's nice.
Yes, I like cooking simple food
Why simple food?
because simple food is easy and simple food is the best.
I agree, yes.
We will use very easy sentences,
Easy sentences help you feel confident.
and confidence is very important.
So listen slowly.
And don't worry,
When you talk about your hobby, you can say, my hobby is.
this sentence is very useful
You can use it anywhere, at work.
at school or when you meet new people. Now say your hobby in your head.
Good job.
Here are some examples.
My hobby is cooking.
My hobby is reading.
My hobby is listening to music.
Very nice. This is even more simple.
Yes, very natural.
I like cooking. I like movies.
I like reading.
You don't need long sentences.
You don't need big words.
Short sentences are good.
Simple English is strong English.
Now let's talk about real life.
Because English is for real life.
Imagine you meet someone new.
Maybe on your first day at school.
You feel a little nervous.
That's normal.
The person smiles and asks, "What do you like to do?"
This is a friendly question.
I like sports.
I like music. I like drawing.
Very natural.
You are talking to a coworker.
Maybe during a break.
They ask, "What do you do in your free time?"
You can say, I like walking.
Or I like cooking."
Simple answers are friendly.
Now let's talk about common hobbies.
These hobbies are very popular.
Many people around the world like them.
Listening to music,
Yes, music is everywhere.
watching TV,
After a long day, very relaxing.
playing games,
On the phone or computer,
walking in the park,
very useful and fun,
cleaning. Is that a hobby?
maybe for some people.
Yes. Some people really like cleaning.
And that's okay.
Now let's say a little more. You can talk about where you do your hobby.
This makes your answer more interesting.
For example, I read at home. I cook in my kitchen.
Very real life.
I play games with my friends.
That sounds fun.
I listen to music at night.
Nice and relaxing.
You can see, English can be easy.
And enjoyable.
You're doing great.
Yes, very, very good. Let me share my story now. This is a real story.
Yes, please. I like your stories.
I like reading books.
Reading is a nice hobby. What kind of books do you like?
I like easy books.
Easy books are good?
Yes, easy books help me relax.
What about the story?
Happy stories?
Happy stories make us smile.
Yes. When I read, I feel calm.
When do you read?
I read in the evening. I read with a cup of tea.
Tea and books. Perfect.
Yes. Reading helps me forget stress.
That sounds very relaxing.
It is. Reading makes me calm and happy. Now your turn, David.
Okay, I like cooking.
Cooking is a very useful hobby.
Yes, and I enjoy it.
What do you cook?
Simple food. Rice, soup, eggs.
Easy and healthy?
Yes, I don't like difficult food. Cooking makes me feel good. I cook on the weekend
Why on the weekend?
because I have more time. Sometimes I cook alone, sometimes with my family.
That sounds lovely.
Yes, we talk and laugh.
Cooking together is fun?
Yes, food tastes better together. Hobbies are not just activities.
Yes, they give us feelings.
Good feelings, calm feelings.
Happy feelings, fun feelings.
You can talk about feelings too.
You can say, "My hobby makes me happy."
Or, my hobby helps me relax.
These sentences are very useful.
Let's repeat slowly.
My hobby makes me happy.
My hobby helps me relax. Jessica, what if someone says, my hobby is sleeping?
That is very common.
Yes. Many people love sleeping.
Sleeping feels great?
Very important for health.
Yes, so sleeping can be a hobby.
Let's talk about school.
Students talk about hobbies a lot. You don't need to worry.
A teacher may ask, what is your hobby? You can answer simply,
My hobby is drawing.
my hobby is playing soccer.
That is perfect English.
Short and clear.
What about work?
At work, people talk to relax.
Maybe during lunch.
They may ask, what do you do in your free time?
You can say, I like cooking.
I like walking.
Now imagine a party. People are talking and smiling.
Someone says, tell me about you.
You can say, I like music. Even if you feel shy, it's okay
Your hobby helps you talk.
and helps you connect with people.
Friends, please listen carefully now. This part is very important.
Yes, this is for your heart. Perfect English is not real life.
You do not need perfect English. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Big words do not mean good English.
You do not need big words.
Simple English is strong English.
Clear English is good English. Speaking slowly is okay.
Please take your time. Silence is okay. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Making mistakes is okay. If you feel shy, that's okay too.
Many people feel shy,
But every time you try, you grow.
and we are proud of you.
Yes, very proud.
Now let's practice together. And confidence helps speaking.
Practice helps confidence. Now let's recap today.
A recap helps memory.
Today we talked about hobbies,
Things you like to do.
things you enjoy in your free time.
We learned simple sentences.
Now it's your turn.
We want to hear from you. What is your hobby?
Please write in the comments. We read your comments.
And we smile when we read them.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you for your time and energy.
You are doing something good for yourself.
Learning English is a kind gift to you, step by step.
English takes time, little by little.
And you are doing great.
We believe in you. Keep smiling.
See you next time. Keep practicing. Bye-bye, friends.
Bye-bye, friends.